Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall superstar Kranium recently announced his anticipated new album titled Midnight Sparks. The announcement was made on Tuesday on his Instagram account, where he shared reviews of the tracks and the cover art for the compilation. Midnight Sparks features songs such as Talking, In Charge, and Risky, which is a remix of Afrobeat star Davido's hit song with Popcorn, December 6th through Atlantic Records, and is the follow-up to his 2015 EP Rumors. Kranium is no stranger to mainstream success, as his 2015 breakout hit single Nobody Has to Know was certified gold by the Recording Industry Association. The hitmaker has collaborated with some of the biggest artists in dancehall and Afrobeat, including Alkaline, Ty Dolla $ign, Lil Kim, and Mr. Easy. Now onto the international scene, where American singer and songwriter Mariah Carey was honored earlier this week by the Guinness World Records organization. She was honored with 3 holiday-themed world records thanks to her mega hit single All I Want for Christmas Is You. The singer now holds the record for the highest charting holiday song on the Hot 100 by a solo artist. The most streamed track on Spotify in 24 hours, with over 10.8 million streams last December, and most weeks in the UK singles top 10 chart for a Christmas song. All 3 records will be included in the Guinness World Records 2020 edition book. Mariah Carey is currently on her All I Want for Christmas Is You tour. The tour kicked off on November 22 and will end on December 15. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.